This is Texas Dove Hunting 101.
Where I'm from, down here in the South, them boys know what I'm talking about. Down in Texas, what a beautiful view. We were raised just a little bit different than you.
Before dove season, don't wait until opening morning to figure out your equipment. You need to understand your shotgun, the ammunition made for it, the choke system, safe storage, and basic maintenance. And most important, safety comes first. For dove hunting, you'll commonly see 12 gauge and 20 gauge shotguns. You'll also see different actions, including semi-automatic, pump, and double barrel shotguns. Each has advantages and disadvantages, but a beginner should concentrate on a shotgun that fits properly and that they can safely and comfortably handle. If an adult is purchasing a firearm, use a licensed dealer and follow all federal, state, and local requirements, including any required background check process. Whatever shotgun you use, learn that specific firearm before dove season. Know how it safely works. Know how to verify its condition. Read the manufacturer's manual. If you're inexperienced, learn with a qualified adult or firearms instructor, and get range time well before opening day. Opening morning is a terrible time to discover that you don't understand your equipment. Treat every firearm as if it were loaded. Never, ever point the muzzle towards another person. Keep your finger away from the trigger until it's appropriate to fire. Keep the firearm safety mechanism engaged until the appropriate time, but never depend on the mechanical safety alone. Safe handling has to become a habit. Your shotgun may use interchangeable chokes. A choke changes the way the shot pattern spreads as distance increases. Cylinder, improved cylinder, modified, and full chokes produce different patterns. Your shotgun manufacturer tells you which chokes are compatible with your firearm. This is also why patterning and supervised range practice before the season are useful. You can see how your particular shotgun and ammunition behave rather than guessing. For Texas migratory game birds, a legal shotgun cannot hold more than 3 shells total. If the shotgun is capable of holding more than 3, Texas regulations require the proper plug so its total capacity does not exceed 3 shells. Don't discover that requirement after you reach the field. Check your shotgun and the current Texas Parks and Wildlife regulations before the hunt. Shotgun ammunition comes in different gauges, shell lengths, loads, and shot sizes. The important beginner rule is simple. The ammunition must match the specifications marked for your shotgun and listed by its manufacturer. Don't assume that 2 shells that look similar are interchangeable. For dove hunting, hunters also encounter different shot materials and loads, and some hunting properties have additional ammunition restrictions. Check both the ammunition packaging and the rules for the property where you'll hunt. Protect the shotgun when you're transporting it. You'll see both hard cases and padded soft cases. Whichever style you use, it should protect the firearm and allow you to transport it securely and in accordance with applicable laws and range or property rules. A scratch shotgun is annoying. An unsecured shotgun is a safety problem. When the shotgun isn't being used, prevent unauthorized access. That may mean appropriate locked storage, a gun cabinet or safe, or another approved locking system. Ammunition should also be secured according to your household safety plan. If children or unauthorized people could gain access, secure storage isn't optional common sense, it's essential. Shotguns need routine inspection and maintenance. Cleaning supplies are not one size fits all. Use products and cleaning equipment intended for your particular firearm and follow the manufacturer's instructions. If something doesn't look or operate correctly, don't experiment with it. Have a qualified gunsmith inspect it. Don't buy equipment and leave it untouched until dove season. Go to a legitimate shooting range ahead of time with appropriate supervision or instruction. Learn the range rules, become familiar with your shotgun, and identify equipment problems while there's still time to correct them safely. Practice beforehand. Opening morning is for hunting, not for figuring out which lever does what. Shotgun, chokes, correct ammunition, 3 shell limit, secure storage, maintenance, and practice before the season. Understand your equipment and handle it safely before you ever walk into the dove field. That's Dove Hunting 101. Thanks for watching.